Payoneer requirements of submission of an invoice. When submitting an invoice in Payoneer, these are the expected. They expect you submit the logo, the name, the client's name, as you can see, the invoice number, the date, the product service description, and the amount paid. So when do Payoneer require you to submit documents? So a transaction was sent by a client of $53, and Payoneer told me to submit. They said, so that we may approve your contact, send payments directly to other Payoneer customers. So we'll come here in the invoice. So we can see, to understand your business, we need the following information. Invoice. What we need, an invoice listed above. The invoice must have the following. We said a logo, your name, client's name, invoice number, date, product, service, and amount paid. So they also say tips for successful to make sure the document is going. Make sure it's high quality, uncropped, shows the document from edge to edge, contains all the details. And we can see here, we can see an example of a Payoneer. We can see this is the Payoneer. You can see the logo, the name, the invoice number, client's name, dates. Thank you for reaching out. In case you have a dispute or any pending issue in Payoneer, I'll be there to respond at a token of appreciation. In case you have an issue with PayPal, kindly reach out. In the description link, you will find my WhatsApp number where you'll access me at a token of appreciation.